from Regal Rexnord here with your Motor Minute Tech Tip, helping you become a motor pro 1 minute at a time.
Today's Motor Minute topic is Evergreen Motors Debunked 2.0. Whether you are just learning about Evergreen universal replacement motors or have used them for years, I think you will find this information very enlightening. Evergreen universal replacement motors provide solutions for replacing PSC and ECM motors in HVAC applications. Let's take a deeper dive to learn more. Evergreen IM and OM motors are designed to replace PSC motors. The next generation of the Evergreen OM motor was launched in 2024. A universal replacement for PSC outdoor condensing fan motors, its stock number is 6303S. This motor is built with reduced end shield to end shield length to fit more applications. It installs just like a PSC motor and is built with 3 OEM mounting options. It is also built with a simplified wiring harness, which means it connects just like a PSC motor with no programming and no capacitor required. The Evergreen OM motor is versatility and simplicity at its best. One motor replaces 28 PSC ratings, including 48 frame, shaft down and horizontal applications, 208 230 volts AC, 1/3 to 1/2 horsepower, clockwise and counterclockwise, 825 and 1075 RPM. Evergreen IM motors easily replace PSC indoor blower motors rated 115 and 230 volts AC, 48 frame, counterclockwise or clockwise, 1 through 1/5 horsepower, 1075 RPM. Their stock numbers are 6005 for the 1/2 to 1/5 horsepower and 6010 for the 1 to 1/2 horsepower motors. The Evergreen IM motor is also a valuable addition to HVAC systems with IAQ devices, increasing operating time with quiet continuous fan operation while using up to 75% less energy than PSC motors. Evergreen EM and VS motors are both designed to replace ECM indoor blower motors. Evergreen EM motors replace standard 9-terminal constant torque ECM indoor blower motors including Gentech, US motors, and Broad Ocean motors, as well as constant torque ECM motors with non-standard connections such as Gentech Ensight and Broad Ocean leads-out motors. With dual voltage capability and the largest volume of OEM ECM motors in the 1/2 and 3/4 horsepower ratings, 2 Evergreen EM motors on the truck will greatly increase your first call completions. Evergreen VS motors replace Gentech constant airflow, also referred to as variable speed, ECM indoor blower motors including formerly branded GE products going back to 1992. Replacing Gentech constant airflow variable speed ECM motors from truck stock is now a reality. With dual voltage capability and the largest volume of OEM ECM motors in the 1/2 and 3/4 horsepower ratings, 2 Evergreen VS motors on the truck will greatly increase your first call completions. For more information, ask your local HVAC distributor for Evergreen motors or visit our website at hvacmotorsolutions.com.
And that's a wrap on this segment of Motor Minute. Remember, we provide motor training and product information in multiple formats, including videos, literature, podcasts, articles, of course, Motor Minute technical tips, and classroom education, both online and face-to-face. All of this industry-leading training is available at no charge to HVAC professionals at regalmmu.com. Thank you for taking the time to build your motor knowledge.